So what kinds of things have you tried, if anything, to address these urges? And I mean in a positive way. You talked about having trouble finding a man. Are you interested in finding a man? Are you interested in a relationship? Or are you pretty content with how things are now?
Well, yes, with all those answers. I have to be content because that's my life. But I am interested in finding a man, but I like intelligent men. I like smart men, you know.
Then I'm sorry. Intelligent men tends to be an oxymoron. Question for you.
Believe me, there are smart men out there with strong sex drives. They do exist.
That's what I'm focused watching right now.
Drew and I have heard about them. We just haven't met them yet. But have there been any relationships along the way where, you know, maybe it was close but no cigar, maybe something was missing?
Yes, I haven't been just sitting around saying, well, this is the way my life is going to be for the rest of it, because I'm going to live to be very old, probably over 100.
I wouldn't doubt that 1 second.
You know, if somebody doesn't come on and let me know that they want a full relationship, then okay, let's just be friends and not get into all that other stuff. Let's just be friends.
Do you find that men are intimidated by how sexual you are?
Yes.
What happens? Can you give me an example?
They withdraw. They don't want to interact with me at all.
Because they're afraid of your power?
I guess I need a man that's stronger than I am, at least more strong-willed than I am. And I haven't met that one yet.
Well, you know what? I think it's good to have high standards. And I'll tell you, I have high hopes for you. We have someone joining us right now, obstetrician gynecologist Dr. Tristan Emily Bickman. I do have to ask, Dr. Bickman, is it normal at the age of 85 or any age to wake up with a really strong sexual desire?
Yeah, it is normal, and you may think it's a problem because you don't know that it's very common, because it's probably something you don't talk about. But actually, studies have shown that people, as they get older, and women over 80 specifically, have increased sexual drive, increased sexual satisfaction. In fact, study shows that although you may not be having sex, women over 80 are satisfied sexually without having intercourse.
So, Dr. Bickman, is there a normal curve that maybe with menopause you have a decrease in sexual desire, but then is there a secondary rebound? Or?
Well, interestingly, all the studies are done between women less than 55 and older than 80, that their sexual desires are very similar. So the menopause, because it happens after that 55, you would think that libido can go down, and for some people it does, but it's often increased. There are neurotransmitters in the brain, different chemicals in the brain that in different levels can increase sexual desire. So it could be related to that as well.